talk about how can you create a forms on your Wix app. We go to figure out this edition or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, you click here on manage down here, just click on it. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you will find here customers, and let's you just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on forms and some sessions here, you just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you just click here on create form. So then it's going to take you to next step here, and here add field. So then here can you add form field here in this list you selected. So then automatically here it's going to add with you or create with you on your Wix app. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.